Jakey, are you counting Mommy's wine? Yeah. How many is it? How many is there? Can you count them again?
1, 2, 3, 9.
No. Is that enough?
9.
9. I don't think 9's enough, is it?
No.
No. We need more.
3, 2, 3, 2, 1.
You might have to work on your counting just a little bit, huh?
No, it's fun.
It's fun?
2, 3, 2.
Did you make that in school?
Color.
Yeah, color.
Yeah.
Alright, Jakey, say bye-bye.
Bye, we're not saying color.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Jake,
Say.
wave bye-bye.
Bye, Nicole.